Saleng Sangma, state president of the Nationalist Congress Party, said that the state has attained statehood 50 years ago, but the border issue has been slogging on for the past 5 decades. The government has taken the initiative to resolve 6 of the 12 areas of differences, and the coalition partners of the government stand together to address the long pending issue. The final decision and the final call on resolving this issue will be taken at the Parliament as stated by Chief Ministers of both the states.
This government has at least taken the initiations, they have taken the step, whether good, bad, ugly, because these issues has been one of the longest pending issue since the time of independence itself, since the time from Assam when we were separated. It was one of the longest issue. Nobody has taken the step, at least even to, at least this government has taken a chance, the chance of facing the consequences. Definitely there will be lots of litigation, there will be lots of consequences, there's a lots of, allegations regarding the issue taken up, because it's the conflict zone area itself. It's a conflict. The final decision, because it's the Parliament which has to take the final step. And I am confident on the government of India also, that even the government of Meghalaya and then the government of Assam also, whatever step they will take, definitely they will take cautiously, because the final call will be the Parliament